In today's video, I'm going to talk you through setting up a time limit on your iPhone for how long your messages are stored for. So if you found value in this video, please like and subscribe at the end. Thanks for watching. Let's get started. Go into settings and down in the bottom, search, type in messages. Then go into messages. Scroll all the way down. And then you can see keep messages, and you can see how long you can see there how long you can keep your messages for, 30 days, 1 year, or forever.